How to get motivated to get things done. Motivation can be elusive, but there are strategies you can try to get yourself into gear. Set clear goals, define what you want to achieve and break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. Clear goals provide direction and make tasks feel more achievable. Find your why, understand why the task is important to you. Connecting emotionally to your goals can provide the intrinsic motivation needed to get started. Create a routine. Establishing a routine can help create consistency and make tasks feel like a natural part of your day. Over time, routine can lead to habit, making tasks easier to tackle. Use positive reinforcement. Reward yourself for completing tasks, whether it's with a small treat, a break, or something enjoyable. Positive reinforcement can help associate completing tasks with feeling good. Visualize success. Take a moment to visualize yourself completing the task and imagine how good it will feel once it's done. Visualization can help build motivation and reduce anxiety about starting. Break it down. If a task feels overwhelming, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Focusing on one step at a time can make the task feel less daunting. Eliminate distractions. Identify and remove distractions that might be hindering your productivity. This might involve turning off notifications, finding a quiet workspace, or using apps to block distracting websites. Find accountability. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or colleague who can help keep you accountable. Knowing that someone else is aware of your goals can provide extra motivation to stay on track. Seek inspiration. Surround yourself with sources of inspiration, whether it's motivational quotes, success stories, or role models who have achieved similar goals. Drawing inspiration from others can reignite your own motivation. Start small. If you're struggling to get started, aim to do just a small part of the task. Often, getting started is the hardest part, and once you've overcome that initial barrier, momentum can build.